In this video, we're going to talk about how you can leverage DMX in ProPresenter on your Mac. Did you know ProPresenter can be controlled directly from your lighting console? That's right. Using DMX or Art-Net, ProPresenter can function just like any other lighting fixture in your rig. Let's walk through how to set it up. Start by going to ProPresenter in the menu bar, choose Settings, and click on Devices. Once you're there, click the large plus button and select DMX. That opens your DMX configuration panel. From this screen, you're in control. You can rename the device if that helps keep your system organized. If you want ProPresenter to automatically reconnect to your console after a disconnect, enable Auto Reconnect. This is especially helpful in live environments. Next, open the hardware dropdown and choose your device type. For this example, we'll select Art-Net. Under Via and Address, select the correct network adapter that connects ProPresenter to your lighting console. Depending on your setup, this may require some additional network configuration outside of ProPresenter. The port will auto-populate based on your Art-Net selection. Here's the key. Your Art-Net settings in ProPresenter must match the configuration in your lighting console or control software exactly. If they don't align, communication won't happen. In our testing, we use a tool called DMX Assistant, and you'll see in the documentation how those settings mirror what's configured inside ProPresenter. Once everything looks correct, click the back arrow, then click Connect. The button will change to Disconnect, and you'll see a green indicator line next to the device. That's your confirmation that everything is communicating properly. If you need to adjust settings later, just remember, you'll need to disconnect first. Now, let's look at Control. Click the DMX Map button. This is where you'll find the full channel map showing how DMX values control ProPresenter. You can set the base address to place the ProPresenter fixture anywhere you need within your DMX universe, from address 1 all the way through 499. We provide complete documentation that outlines every available channel, value, and example programming scenario. Rather than memorizing every command number, we recommend referencing that chart as you build out your console profile. Before we wrap up, here are a few important limitations to keep in mind. DMX control is only available for ProPresenter on macOS. There is currently no PC equivalent for this setup. While DMX and Art-Net are supported, SACN is currently not available. DMX currently cannot select playlists inside folders. If your structure looks like playlist, folder, playlists, the playlists will be numbered sequentially, but items inside folders aren't directly addressable. This applies to the library, media bin, and the audio bin. The set transition command only applies to the orange global transitions, the ones that affect slides and foregrounds. It does not control media bin transitions or document-specific transitions. It also pulls from the full transition list, not favorites, and it doesn't allow you to specify direction for directional transitions. Once configured correctly, DMX control allows your lighting console to trigger slides, media, macros, timers, and more, integrating ProPresenter directly into your lighting workflow. For the full channel map and detailed programming examples, be sure to reference the DMX Map under the Devices tab. And that's it! ProPresenter fully integrated into your lighting environment. If you run into any challenges with your setup, please reach out to our amazing support team. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.